Good day, everyone. I hope you're all well. So, we have launched new gift cards for all the stores to sell to their customers, and these are pre made gift cards. And today I'm going to be launching a tutorial on how to use the gift cards. The gift cards already have a set balance of 0. None of them have money or anything inside, so they hold no value in case they're stolen or misplaced or anything like that. In this tutorial, we're going to be telling you about how to use them, recharge them, and check the balance once they have an owner. Okay, so now we're going to talk about activating the cards. On your POS machine, you click the member button. On your pop-up window, select the register member, which is option 8. On your pop-up titled multi-payment issue card, scan the barcode to load the card. Make sure the card type is gift card. Enter the name of the receiver of the card, or you may enter the name of the person who is buying the card. After that, click the issue button, which is a red button, and you can issue the card. Now the card is activated and ready to be recharged. Now that our card is active, we're going to discuss how to recharge it. Click the Home button on the left top corner of your screen. Then the Member button on the left panel of the screen. Click on the card amount recharge, which is on the right side of the screen. When the pop-up comes up, which says multi-payment recharge, click the card reading button and select option 3, which is member card. Scan the barcode on the card and then confirm. Enter the recharge amount, and then from there choose the payment option, either card or cash. Recharge and confirm. When paying with a gift card, we scan all items as a normal transaction. Once it's time to make payment, you choose the gift or the picking card. On my side, it shows a gift card, but on other POS screens, it'll show as a picking card. The gift card or picking card both serve the same purpose and have the same meaning. On the pop-up screen, choose the option 3, which is member card number. Scan the barcode on your gift card and load the card number. Click confirm. On the return screen, it shows your gift card balance, how much of the transaction needs to be settled, and how much you want paid by your gift card. For example, we want to pay using 200 Rand on the gift card and pay the rest with cash. Click confirm. As you can see on the bottom left screen, you can see 200 has been tendered by the customer using their gift card. The balance that is left will be paid for as a normal transaction using cash by the customer. Balance checking. On the POS screen, click the Home button on the top left corner. Click Membership menu on the left panel, and then Member Info button on the right panel. Under Criteria, choose Member Card Number option. Click the text box on the right side, scan barcode, click Inquiry, and wait a second for the data to load. Then click Detail in the top left corner. It will show you a pop-up screen with the gift card balance.